Right, Galelas, we're separating. We're on the way to meet Augusto and his friends. I thought he was coming to Grau, but he was sent me a video and he was at a fucking waterfall. Oh my god, what is this road? Hello. Vamos, vamos! I don't even know which way I'm supposed to be going right now. My brain's thinking in overdrive. I'm thinking so hard right now, but I think when I'm trying to think so hard, I'm actually thinking of nothing. Nothing's going on in my mind. It's just stressing me out. Which way is it? Ah, it's this way. Man, no, I'm far away. E aí? Good? E aí, meu? Hey. Hã? Ah, eu Grau. So
Bermuda.
Ah, aqui.
Yeah.
Oh no, where? Oh no. What are these? Ah, yeah. Boom. Yeah, sim, Phil.
Oh.
Boom. And aqui. Boom. Boom. And
Vai cair, né?
no. Yeah, no. Good. Boom. Sludge.
Yeah.
Muito.
Frio.
Você. Shop.
Depois vamos lá.
Sing. Sing. Oh, that was sick! No hands with a girl on the back. Like, he was chilling as well. Aqui. Where the fuck are they taking me? Oh my days. You're joking.
Descer pouco, descer.
Huh?
Descer pouco.
Un poco?
É.
Oh my god. Vamos. Un poco to them, which means a little bit, is not a little bit. It's fucking long. Nah, this is crazy. Oh my god, are you fucking joking me? How is he doing that with a passenger? Nah, this is ridiculous. What the fuck have I agreed to? Huh? This is... Oh, no grip.
Consegue?
Oh, sh... Jesus Christ, where? Oh! Aqui?
Não pegou na roda?
Bom.
That is not bomb.
Bom aí, bom.
Well, here we go, off on an adventure. Where have you taken me?
Muito fedor.
Fedor? Stinks.
Fedor.
Stinks. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, that's kicking.
Quero ver ela lá na frente, lá, né? Será que vai dar?
Is there snakes?
Difícil o acesso.
Oh, shit. That's why he's left his helmet on. Difícil descent. Meu Deus.
My God.
This is the strat. Split leg. Boom, 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 boom. God, this better be the maddest waterfall I've ever seen in my life. If I get down here and it's just a tiny little river and a bit of water dropping from the top, I'm not gonna be happy. It doesn't sound like it's a little bit of water dripping from the top. This sounds fucking crazy. This is the most secluded waterfall I've ever seen in my life. I ain't even seen this on the travel channels. I'm gonna have to change this to a travel channel. Holy oh my God. Oh shit, that's a long way down. Nah, what am I doing? Oh my days. Nah. That's crazy. Oh shit. Oh my days, you gotta go down there. Nah, nah. That's crazy.
Consegue?
Huh?
Consegue?
Oh, I should have left my helmet up there. Safety.
Não, não, não.
Ah, sim.
Pra cima.
Ah, yeah, sim, sim.
Gravar. Vai pegar.
Gravar?
Yeah.
Film.
Yeah.
Aqui?
Vai filmar?
Yeah, eu.
É. Pega já. Não, só vou.
This is crazy.
Pode jogar, pode jogar.
Oh. Yo, Augusto's next.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Aqui é
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. No, this is Tarzan. Tarzan.
Yeah.
Tarzan, yeah. Yeah, meu. Oh shit, I didn't even realise I was stood pretty much off the edge. Muito descent. Muito descent. Right, let's fucking do this. Alright, I don't believe what I'm doing here, guys. How have they gone down it? This is crazy. Oh shit. I mean, it might be fucking... What is that? Oh, it's a reflection. Ah, eu sim. Muito difícil. Não, bom. Bom. Eu bom. Guys, I'm really doing up Tarzan right now. This is Tarzan Motovlogs for real. Oh shit, my helmet's falling on my face. Huh. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. Easy. She's stuck. Nah, I bet you there's snakes around here. Meu Deus, pass it on. Oh. Huh? Up fast. Sing. Why don't I leave my fucking helmet on the bike? Oh no, I can't see. My helmet's now on my head. Now I can't see shit. What the f? This is crazy. Oh shit. That's crazy. No bomb. Holy crazy. I'm at it like Bear Grylls, guys. This is Bear Grylls. Wow. Let me just get a thumbnail quickly. Hey guys. Hey, look. Fucking hell. There's a rope here. What the f? Yo, this is mad! Nah, this is crazy. I don't have my shorts. Oh, you're joking. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a sec. Guys, look at this. This is looking slippy and slidey. Look at that! No. Easy. Difícil. Hand. Aqui.
Yes.
Like. Yeah, boom. Oh, that's so much easier when you don't have a helmet on. Jump! Jump! Oh, yeah. Whoa, this is crazy, guys. Oh, crazy. Guys, this is mad. This is the real Brazilian experience. This is crazy. I'm gonna go in it, guys. I can't come here and not go in there. That's mad. Oh, nah, not safe. Do they go whoosh? La. Whoosh. Really? No way. Guys, I think they're gonna jump in. Oh, it's crazy. Oh, shit. He actually jumped. Mad. Oh, he's got to do something like that, ain't he? Rio. Ah, really? Oh my God! Muito. Ah, boom! Uau! Aqui não. Let's go have a look, see how bomb this is. Oh my god, that was not bomb. Oh, that's actually nice. Alright guys. Nah, it's muito slippery. That's slippy. This is crazy, guys. Look what the f I'm next to. Oh, that's slippy. Muito slippy. Which way? Oh, guys, I'm in the thick of it right now. Oh, muito. No, muito slippy. Muito slippy. No. That's so slippy. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Where? Hey, left. Ah, bom. No bom. Ah, bom. Hey, muito slippy there. Careful. Boom. Oh no, this is crazy. Oh my god, guys. Meu Deus. Oh. Aqui. Oh. I'm gonna have to put the camera away, guys. Holy sh**, guys, I made it. What a crazy experience. Muito bom. This is like a lagoon. You can jump in. But I'm fully dressed. Vamos? That's crazy. Nah. That's mad.
Go.
Huh?
One.
Oh, you, vamos.
Tres.
Tres?
Yeah.
Ah.
Two, one.
Ah, no bomb.
No.
No bomb. Eu filmo. Eu.
É.
Você filma eu.
Yeah. Oh. Nadar. Bom.
No.
Não dá pé.
Huh? No
Lá,
deep.
não.
Boom. No floor. Ah, okay. This is crazy, guys.
Peça isso.
Go, vamos. She's in. Muito.
Vai
Oh, not muito.
Não encosta. Top, não. Não dá pé.
Top, no. Okay. Boom.
Eu.
E você? Tu. Alright, you film eu.
Yeah. Pode mostrar o rosto? Pode mostrar o rosto.
Muito careful. No, eu. Bom. This way.
Yeah.
Bomb here.
Aqui.
Bom.
Bom. Yeah.
Alemão.
Alemão. 3,
2, 1, go! Uou, muito bom, muito bom! Uau, o gringo nadador! Que isso? Oh my God! Before? Antes?
Yeah.
Gringo! Depois?
Brasil.
Brazil! Yeah. God, that one was one for the life experiences, guys. That was like something I've dreamed of doing my whole life. Diving into a waterfall. Are you crazy? That's amazing. Vamos, Augusto! Brazil! No, this is crazy. Melhor localization. No? 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 This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, okay. That was such a good experience, guys. This is an amazing experience. This is like one of my best experiences in my life. This is, as you can tell, I ain't got any words for it, but I've dreamed of doing something like this. This is crazy. In Brazil, at some secluded waterfall. This is mad. Look at that. This is so crazy, guys. I've never done nothing like this in my life. Just in case you couldn't hear anything on that video, guys, best experience I've ever had in my life. Bom, muito bom. Vlog. That's something I've always wanted to do. Jump in a flipping waterfall like that. I feel like I've gone from gringo to Brazil now. I feel like I've been baptized to become a Brazilian. I feel like I just earned a Brazilian passport.
That's it, right?
Yeah, boom.
Yeah.
Boom. We gotta go now. We gotta go all the way back up. And he's gotta go work. Maybe I'll vlog this part with my helmet on. I can't see shit though. A little bit of safety for a little bit less vision. Oh. Now I'm really living up to the channel name. Tarzan Motovlogs has actually made a motovlog. Not even in a forest, in a jungle in Brazil. Make sure you smash that like button. Comment any videos you want to see next. Comment what you think about this place. Crazy. I've never done anything like that. Ah, boom. I can say that and just die. Obrigado. Jesus Christ. That was a bit of effort though. Right, let's see how. What the f?
Levar a house. Levar pra casa.
Aqui.
Ele levar pra casa.
And agora?
Ele.
Oh, he's taking that. Oh my God, he's going back down to the waterfall. Oh, I don't want to be behind Augusto. Ah, you run, vamos. Oh my God. Go, green, go. Oh my. Jesus Christ. Now, I thought I was doing enduro the other day. But that was just a casual ride. Jesus fucking Christ. God, like you see these Brazilians, how the fuck do they ride bikes like that? And then you see that there is no way he just done that. You see this kind of experience that I'm going through right now. Oh, holy shit, guys. Maddest and best experience of my life. Before I'd look at that and if I was on a EXC 125 and I looked at that, I'd say, nah. I'm out here in Brazil in the middle of fuck knows where, doing that on a CG 160. Like, what the f? No. No one's gonna believe me when I'm back. Imagine my audio doesn't work. I imagine my files are corrupt. No, I don't even speak it into existence. I will cry for weeks. Vamos. Oh man, what a day. Nah, these roads are unreal. Wow, is this the way we came? Did I just not look at any of this? What? Oh, Brazil is fucking amazing. Actually, I'll tell you what, we can talk about something. Guys, get in the comments here. I'm thinking about, actually, no, CBA. Oh shit, it's a Rottweiler! Oh no, he's run out of fuel! No! No gasoline!
Petrol.
Meu, now, agora. Eli?
Yeah.
Eli?
Oh,
celular.
no, yeah.
Vamos aqui. Oi, vamos rua.
Yeah, ali.
Yeah, aqui. Oh, what an eventful day. Oh. Oh my god, this is so sketchy. You can't make this up. What a day. The art of Giviabana. The way they like was moving, they was going so fast. Oh, the turtles. Yeah! Brazilian style. So after all that, what the f is that?
Escapade.
Scapage?
Yeah, escapou.
He's just pulled that out of the bike. He said there's fuel in it. What? How much? Quanto gasolina? Aqui?
Hey, bom.
No. All of that for nothing.
Merda, que me chama toda.
Tem gasolina.
Tem.
Eu não acredito.
No Brazilian style. Ah! No. Oh! Hey! Oh! Whoa! There's just nothing but views in Brazil. You know, flying on the pippies. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna need a new set of wrists. Oh my god! He was looking at the car. Is that a speed camera? Right, where the f are we? I've lost him. He's lost me. He's so fast. I'm stuck. I'm on my own. I think my camera's about to die. Where am I then? Yes, I caught up.